Hey there, we're back. Got a HOA fire lane tow. It's early in the morning, so we're gonna let's see if anybody comes out. I imagine somebody's gonna come out on this one. These fire lane tows are never easy. Anyway, I'm gonna throw my camera up. What's going on, man?
You got a car?
But we're not that high. If you're doing something local, close by, if it ain't, our prices are really competitive as far as regular towing. We kind of cater to smaller people too.
Thank you.
Yeah, so I fixed to yank that car right there.
Why?
A fire lane.
I think he stays right here. Can I knock on his door, at least give him a chance?
Nah, bro. Hey, they called us in to get him, man. They've warned him a bunch of times.
He's a young. Let me just.
He's been. Well, you can do what you want, bro. But I'm fixing to hook it. A neighbor was going to try to warn. I think he did go there. I think he went and knocked on the guy's door. I wasn't watching him, but he said he was going to go. I told him I don't care what he does. I'm fixing to hook the car, and that's what I did. That's what we do. We pull up and yank him. This guy here, he's been warned on numerous occasions, and not to park in that fire lane. Evidently, he didn't get the memo about fire lane parking. He's a young guy. That's what that gentleman told me. There ain't nobody parked on the fire lanes in this property. There's not a single car parked on these fire lanes. That's just how it goes. I'm back over here at an impound. It's called in impound by a property manager, and I believe she wants me to tow this. It's a Venza, Toyota Venza, I believe. Fixing to find out right now. Yeah, what's right? Bad tag?
Mấy cái đi.
Huh?
It's over already.
Oh, the tag's bad?
Yeah, that's
Okay.
it.
They tell me it's got a bad tag. It's got a hook on it.
No, they can't. This car is somebody else picking up this car. Where's the car? The finance company is picking this car up.
Well, they're gonna have to get it from us. I'll give you the information.
No, y'all gonna talk to them on the phone right
Hey, listen, all you got to do is take a picture outside my truck.
They supposed to come get it today. If you guys take this truck, I gotta pay 17 grand for this car.
No, you don't. No, you don't. Just listen, all they're gonna do is come get it from us. All they do is come get it from us.
Let me call the finance company right now.
Okay.
They already talked to them this morning because they were supposed to come get this car 3 months ago.
I know, and that's the problem. And you need to document all your information about how.
That.
Okay, well, listen, they should have came and got it already.
Yeah,
It's not on you.
I know, but what they said was when I talked to them this morning, I said you guys are supposed to come ever since end of May to come and get the car.
Yeah.
Because I need to take some stuff out the car. But I know I know they were coming, but then
whatever you need to get out, go ahead and get it out, because the manager's wanting it off the property. And I'm not trying to be mean. I'm just doing.
They didn't say anything to me about that.
Yeah.
Let me call Griselda because somebody else. I don't want to be charged. They were trying to charge me for keys and everything. So I don't want to be charged for a car.
Well, like I said, if they don't come and get it, that's on them. I mean, you've already called. They got it documented, the dates and everything. You said to come get it, and that's on them. I mean, you already returned the car to them.
Yeah. They screwed me over.
Yeah.
What they did was, oh God, and the record truck is coming to get my van. Let me wait.
Yeah.
Hey, hon. I'm good. Are you like making? Yeah, because I'm like, okay, this car's not supposed to be gone yet. They're supposed to come and get it. I'm glad it's moving because I got to go get another one. But no, they screwed me over. They weren't paying for the principal balance. What they were doing was they were actually, do you have the manager's number? Cause
Up here?
yeah.
I think it's 256.
4800.
I think so. I believe so. But she's already, she's ordered the tow. Hey, you just need to call the finance company and tell them where it's going to be. Let me give you information where it's going to be at, because she wants to remove the car. I got to remove it. I'm going to give you the address where you can send it to the people. They'll come get it from us.
Okay, do they have to pay for it? Because I know they're going to charge me with that.
It's 175. It's going to be 175 to pay it out. I'm surprised they didn't come to already get the car.
Yeah,
that's ridiculous. When you got a repo, you come and get it immediately. That way you don't lose it. If you want to give me the key, listen, I can make sure the key gets to them because they're going to come get it from us. They're going to come get it. I can make sure the key gets. I can document it, make sure the key gets to them.
Okay.
There's no problem doing that at all.
Okay.
Okay.
It's just, can you get my car off of
Yeah, I can get it wherever you need.
Hey, the tags, I need And do you have a screwdriver for me to take the tags?
What do you need?
My tags.
Yeah, I can pull it off for you. What kind of screw? Let me see what kind of screw it is. If it's flat-headed or flip-headed, and you can finish. Yeah, flat-headed. I'll get it. I will turn. I got no problem turning the keys in with them.
Okay.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You too.
Anyway, that was an extremely nice lady. She was having issues with a finance company. Something about the principal wasn't applied. It's not appropriate applied, but it is what it is. The property manager wants the car gone. This lady said she's been waiting on the finance company for 3 months to come pick it up. And it's basically a voluntary repo. If they can't coordinate and get over there and pick up a voluntary repo like this, I don't know how they make any money. They're gonna be paying us for picking the car up. She's already, like I said, she gave me the keys and everything. All they had to do was come over here and pick it up. Sometimes the coordination between the finance company and the repo guys is not always clear. And they slip up and the car gets impounded. We wind up with a bunch of repos at the yard. The repo guys come over there almost as well. They come over there as often as the police do. Actually, I'm gonna roll to another call I got another impound to go get. We'll see what happens with it. Anyway, hey, we're back on another one. Just pulled up to another property. Oh, that car right over there, stick with the tow. Might have to hook it up.